James. Which Travis is you? I'm Travis J. I'm just. Oh no. Say where you at? I'm in my ATO. Watch 10 for we got them pull up. Shit, send them shoulders. Dude, what the? Right across that track in Scotlandville. That's where you. Man, oh fuck no! Come on, man, chill out, man. Yeah. What up, man? I'm about to call you in a minute, my nigga. All right, boy. Yes, Lord. All right. C, what up, C? My nigga C. Damn, see why you gonna leave? I was just coming to fuck with you. That be C, man. My nigga C on this bit. Let me ask. If C drop bread, I'ma come America. That nigga said if C drop bread, I'm play the big. Oh, fuck. What the fuck wrong with you, man? See, probably don't fuck with us no more, man. Hold on, let me ask C on this. What up, C?
What's down?
What's down with it, bro?
We chilling at the store.
Which one?
Chill out.
What up, Day Lovely? We was just bumping your new video. What you say? We chilling at the store. You and Barry B?
Yeah.
Oh, that nigga ain't got no holler.
Probably do. There you go.
Nigga ain't called me. Nigga ain't called me in fucking 24 hours.
No,
huh? Hey, that's him. What up, Barry? Man, the way you got your hand on that motherfucking steering wheel look like you finna do some midnight club shit.
Deep in there? Who that is?
That's Rooney.
Oh, so y'all puss ass niggas left and ain't telling niggas.
Bitch, you ain't called me in 24 hours. Shit, we was working on a new midnight club.
It ain't been 24 hours yet.
Huh?
It ain't been 24 hours yet, pussy.
Bitch, I ain't lying. Like, you fucked up, bitch. I'm gonna call you in a minute.
All right, bitch.
I love y'all, little bitches. Stay out the way.
All right, bro.
That bitch fucked up, man. Niggas say we was working on a new midnight club. Man, what the fuck? What up, Gotti? Hey, look up there. Y'all see my picture gone? Y'all took that out there. I don't know.
Nigga jacked you out your picture? How you let him come in your room?
Huh?
And take your picture?
Who? Let me tell y'all, dog. I came up in here. Birds say that fell down. Oh. I don't believe that shit. His music Birds said that big ass picture fell down. Yes. How? I don't know, bro. It never ever fell from my last house. Bird, bitch, I'm gonna kill you, bitch. Did it fell before or after Midnight Club, bro? Oh no, this before. This after he flashed on me that one morning. Oh, he did it on purpose. Bird, bitch, I'm gonna hurt you. Get at me.